Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Now I'm gonna be teaching you the words like patio, grill, sliding glass door, patio, furniture, flower bed, hose, sprinkler, hammock, garbage can, compost pile, lawn, vegetable, garden, so take a nap or a garden. We're gonna see here in this picture all of these vocabularies which I mentioned. So first vocabulary is number 16, which is pronounced like this: patio. Patio. So it's a part of house. All of these things are which we see the patio furniture and grill. So we see there is tiles. So and out of the sliding glass door in the garden, this is a patio. This part called the patio. So and number 17 is a grill. So this is a place which you may see it closer and you understand what it is. So and number 18 is a sliding glass door. It's called a sliding glass door. Sliding glass door. This door opens automatically whenever you come close to it. And number 19 is a patio furniture. So this things with its chair and table, patio furniture. And number 20 is flower bed. This is anywhere if you see these things. So this is called the flower bed. Flower bed. Alright. So in number 21 we see here in the picture, which is a horse. It is a horse, not horse, which is an animal, but horse. And number 22 here is a sprinkler. Sprinkler. And also if you see in some other on the top of the houses, that's a nozzle. So the nozzle is a different thing, and so it is a sprinkler. The sprinkles the water or sprays the water, so to these flowers and other things and lawns. Alright, and number 23 we see here a hammock. Number 23 is a hammock. Hammock. This is the place for resting, for sleeping, or for swinging. So for reading or anything you can just do. It's made from net or from any kind of garment which is made from fabric or anything else. So we see here the person is sleeping there. And number 24. So and also later on we're gonna find out it's to take a nap. Alright, so at number 24 here we see it's called a garbage can. We know just a trash can, which is that's a trash can, so which we just throw the trash there. But this is a garbage can, and this is bigger than that one. So and number 25 is a compost pile, and this is a compost, and they're just the things like the mixture of things, so mixture of ingredients used to fertilize, and it's according to the dictionary, to fertilize and improve the plants, alright, that's it. And finally here number 26 we see here, which is no, two more left, sorry. So 26 is a lawn, and we see here in 27 vegetable garden. This whole garden which we see here vegetables, and this is called the vegetable garden in this place. And we see here it's take a nap. The person is sleeping on a hammock, and he's taking a nap. Nap it means just between the during recess or during the break time, or just during you just take a nap and sleep for a while. And this is called a nap. And garden, this whole we see out of the patio, this is called a garden. Alright, thank you very much guys for watching, and make sure to support me so by putting your likes and subscribe to my channel to support me to make the better videos in the future and teach you English. Have a good day. Thank you.